So, I have been getting a ton of questions about AI trading bots. It feels like every other ad I see is promising some crazy life-changing return with a set-it-and-forget-it algorithm. And you know me, when there is this much hype, I have to get my hands on it. Is it just marketing fluff? Or is there genuinely impressive tech under the hood? It is a fascinating space where finance, data science, and pure code collide. The potential is huge, but so is the risk. So, that is what we are doing today. We are cutting through the noise. I spent the last 3 months, 90 days to be exact, putting 3 of the most popular AI trading bots to the test with my own money on the line. I am talking about 3 AI, Bitsgap, AI, Assistant, Pionex, Smart, AI. We are going to do a deep dive into the user interface, the setup process, the customization, the performance, and of course, the results. I have been tracking everything, from the small wins to the painful losses, to give you the most transparent, real-world breakdown possible. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how each of these bots works, what their strengths and weaknesses are, and which one, if any, is the real winner for 2025. We will look at the data, the features, and the overall user experience to figure out who this tech is actually for. Is it for the seasoned trader, the complete beginner, or someone in between? There's a lot to unpack here, so let us get right into it. This is my deep dive into the world of AI trading bots. Alright, first up, we have 3 known name in crypto trading. Their AI offering, Gordon Bot and other AI strategies, was my starting point. Promise, sophisticated automation, bots that execute complex strategies, and they run 24/7, stuff a human cannot manage. I let it run for 3 months, connected via API to my exchange. I tested automated strategies, I tested risk controls, I tested real-world performance. Setup has some immediate caveats. It is geared toward traders with experience, not plug and play. Dashboard is dense with info. Grid bots, options bots, AI-powered settings. Connect exchange with API key. Then you must decide, which trading pair will you use? What is your initial investment? What is your take profit? What is your stop loss? AI suggests settings, but you still choose. Beginners may find this a hurdle. It is more co-pilot than on-switch. Once running, control is impressive. This is where it shines for power users. You can tweak almost everything. Risk tools are robust. Trailing stop-loss setup. Multiple take-profit targets. AI optimizes entries and exits using indicators, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. Over 90 days it traded at odd hours, caught small dips and peaks. Transparency, every action is logged. You can review decisions. Performance was mixed, expected, sideways, gentle trends, very effective. Closed many small profitable trades, compounding gains, designed to scalp small profits repeatedly. During a sudden flash crash, stop losses triggered. But the AI did not predict it. So, initial risk setup matters more than people think. Too wide stop losses, big drawdowns, who is 3,4? Traders wanting to automate and scale strategies, a force multiplier for experienced users, removes emotion and time commitment, granular controls and detailed reporting are top-notch. For absolute beginners, steep learning curve, lots of options can overwhelm. Professional-grade tool with a professional-grade learning curve. Next up we have Bitsgap and its AI assistant. This platform immediately felt a bit more user-friendly and accessible than 3. The marketing here is centered around simplicity and a smart assistant that helps you find the best opportunities. Bitsgap is also an aggregator, meaning it can connect to a ton of different exchanges. You can see your whole portfolio in one place, which is a nice feature on its own. For this test, I ran it across multiple exchanges and in different market conditions. Some bullish, some bearish, some just consolidating sideways. I wanted to really dig into its signal accuracy. The onboarding experience with Bitsgap is slick. It guides you through the process of connecting your exchange accounts. Then you are introduced to the AI assistant. It scans thousands of trading pairs in real time. It recommends the most promising ones for a bot, based on recent volatility and potential for profit. This is a huge leg up for beginners. Instead of having to research which coin pair to trade, the AI gives you a data-backed starting point. You still have to approve the strategy and set your investment amount, but it removes a significant layer of analysis paralysis, which I think a lot of new users will appreciate. It feels more like a guided experience. In terms of performance, the core of Bitscap's offering is its GridBot, enhanced by AI. The GridBot strategy is simple. It places a grid of buy and sell orders within a specified price range. As the price fluctuates, it buys low and sells high, capturing small profits from the volatility. The AI helps define the optimal range for that grid. I found its recommendations to be surprisingly solid. The execution speed was also on point. In a volatile market, milliseconds matter. I saw no noticeable lag between the price hitting a grid line and the order being filled. This is critical because slippage can eat away at the small profits these bots are designed to generate. Now let us talk about fees. Bitscap operates on a subscription model. You pay a monthly fee for access to the platform and its bots. This is separate from trading fees charged by your exchange, like Binance or Kraken, so you have to factor that into your potential profitability. If you are only trading with a small amount of capital, the monthly subscription could eat up a significant portion of your gains. Over my 3-month test, the bots were profitable, but once I subtracted the subscription cost, the net profit was obviously lower. It is a numbers game. You need to be generating enough profit to make the subscription worthwhile. My verdict: Bitscap AI Assistant strikes a nice balance between user-friendliness and powerful features. It is an excellent middle ground option. Beginners will love the AI-powered recommendations and the clean interface. Experienced traders will appreciate multi-exchange support, detailed backtesting features, and reliable execution. It is a versatile, well-rounded platform. The main consideration is the subscription fee. Be confident your trading volume and strategy will generate enough profit to justify that recurring cost. It is a solid all-rounder that caters to a wide spectrum of users. And finally, we have Pionex and its smart AI. Now, Pionex takes a fundamentally different approach from the other two. It is not a third-party service. Pionex is the exchange. No API keys needed. Big security plus, and simpler for new users. I tested their bots on the spot markets and on the futures markets to see how the GridBot plus AI combo performed. Getting started is the easiest of the three. Create an account, deposit crypto, deposit fiat. You're ready to go. No monthly subscription fees. Pionex earns via trading fees. 16 plus bots out of the box. Mobile first UI. Pick a bot from a list. Choose a trading pair. Use a slider to allocate your investment. Smart AI is front and center. AI analyzes historical data over 7 days, 30 days, 180 days to recommend grid parameters. It recommends the upper price limit. It recommends the lower price limit. It recommends the number of grids. It automates the technical analysis. And moderately volatile conditions. Great for users who do not want to stare at charts. Designed for simplicity and mass appeal. Execution is instant, zero latency. In practice, performance was similar to others, capturing small profits. GridBots are the bread and butter. Pre-built options include leveraged GridBot and Martingale bot, variety plus AI. Powerful, self-contained ecosystem. Trade-off: you commit to their exchange, you trust them with your funds, you are limited to their liquidity and trading pairs. Some prefer keeping funds on Coinbase or Binance and granting API access to a bot service. Classic convenience versus control trade-off. For beginners, convenience wins. For advanced traders, it is a limitation. Very accessible, but it is a walled garden. So after 90 days of continuous testing, what is the final verdict? Well, as you have probably guessed, it is not that simple. The real winner honestly depends on who you are. If you are an experienced trader who understands the market and you are looking for a powerful tool to automate sophisticated strategies with granular control, 3 Commas is the winner for you. It is a pro tool with a steep learning curve but an incredibly high ceiling for what it can do. It is built for scaling optimization. If you are in the middle and know the basics of trading, want a more guided experience with a cleaner interface, and need flexibility across multiple major exchanges, Bitscap is your winner. Its AI assistant provides genuinely useful recommendations that bridge beginner confusion and expert analysis. The all-in-one portfolio view is a great touch, and it balances power and ease of use. The main hurdle is the monthly subscription fee. If you are a complete beginner getting into crypto and you want automated trading without dealing with APIs or complex charts, Pionex is the hands-down winner. The integrated exchange, zero subscription fees and super simple AI-powered setup make it the most accessible entry point. It lowers the barrier to entry significantly. The trade-off is that you are operating within their ecosystem, but for many, that convenience will be a price worth paying. Ultimately, the best tech is the tech that works for you. And in the world of AI trading bots, there is a clear winner for every type of user. This was tested and reviewed over 90 days to keep things real. Trade responsibly, manage risk, and I will see you in the next one.